How to create Google Meet link. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can create a Google Meet link. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to create up a Google Meet link, you just need to directly head over to Google Meet. You can use up a preferred browser and type in Google Meet and you'll be finding the results. So I can directly head over to this first one, googlemeet.com, this one right here, and go ahead and click on it and open it up. Once you open it up, you'll be finding this on your screen. So all you need to do is, in order to create a new meeting link, you can find this option called New Meeting. So you can go ahead and create a meeting for later, or also you can start an instant meeting or also schedule. So if you click on the first option, all you need to do is go ahead and share this link with other people. And when other people will copy the link, join the link, they will be directed towards the link in your meeting for later. Otherwise, you can also start up an instant meeting. So when you go ahead and start up an instant meeting, you will be finding different options available that you can set up for the meeting that you have just started. Different options available like troubleshooting, including that. Different settings also available. For example, microphone access, video access, general, captions, and reactions to be given by the people in your meeting. You can use up that feature. Along with that, when we go to the people section, we'll be finding people. And when you go to add people, you'll be finding invite option. So under this section, you can enter up the name, or you can also select up the email address from the suggestions. And after that, send the link. And when other people join that link, they will be instantly in the meeting. So that is how you create up a Google Meeting link, which is quick and easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.